Hello, welcome to our drawing tutorial Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today I will show you how to draw a simple and elegant cabinet step by step. Let's get started. Start by drawing a horizontal oval shape at the top. This will be the top surface of the cabinet. Then draw another horizontal line shape at the bottom of the base of the cabinet. From the edges of the top oval, draw two straight lines. Draw down to connect with the bottom oval. These lines from the sides of the cabinet. Make sure they are parallel and evenly spaced. Next, draw two vertical lines in the middle, starting from the top oval to the bottom oval. These lines will be the outlines of the cabinet doors. Leave a small gap between the two lines to indicate where the doors meet. Draw two small circles or ovals near the center of the cabinet doors to represent the handles. Position them at a comfortable height for opening the doors. Inside each door, draw a vertical line close to the outer edges to add some depth and detail to the doors. You can also draw horizontal lines to represent the panels on the doors if you like. To draw the legs of the cabinet, add four short vertical rectangles extending down from the bottom oval. Space them evenly at the corners to give the cabinet support. Finally, add any additional details you like, such as wood grain texture, shading, or decorative elements. These details will bring your drawing to life. And there you have it, a simple and elegant cabinet drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring, and keep discovering. Happy drawing.